How to delete a specific line in a file. Let's say I have a text file full of nicknames. How can I delete a specific nickname from this file using Python?
First, open the file and get all your lines from the file. Then reopen the file in write mode and write your lines back, except for the line you want to delete. You need to strip \n the new line character in the comparison, because if your file doesn't end with a new line character, the very last line won't either.
The issue with reading lines in first pass and making changes, deleting specific lines, in the second pass is that if your file sizes are huge, you will run out of RAM. Instead, a better approach is to read lines one by one and write them into a separate file, eliminating the ones you don't need. I have run this approach with files as big as 12 to 50 gigabits, and the RAM usage remains almost constant. Only CPU cycles show processing in progress.
The best and fastest option, rather than storing everything in a list and reopening the file to write it, is in my opinion to rewrite the file elsewhere. That's it. In one loop and one only you can do the same thing. It will be much faster.
Solution to this problem with only a single open. This solution opens the file in ROW mode, R+, and makes use of seek to reset the F pointer, then truncate to remove everything after the last write.